If you want to change the home screen wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, you can open the settings on your phone. Then we're gonna scroll down a little bit and you want to go to wallpaper and style. Then in here, we're gonna tap on the change wallpapers. And of course, now we can just search for the wallpaper that you wish to simply use on the home screen. So let's say I'm gonna choose maybe this one over here. Now, since I assume we want to set it only for the home screen, I'm gonna uncheck the lock screen and then you can go next. Now in here, we should be able to still zoom in and zoom out and adjust the position of the wallpaper. But besides that, here at the bottom, we have some additional options like the frame option, which in my case, it was already set up. There is also the color option in case you decide to use a frame, and there is also effect option, which should allow you to apply some additional effects like blur, blurred background, and so on and so forth. Of course, these options may vary depending on the type of photo that you use or image that you use for the wallpaper. So as you can see, we can easily adjust our wallpaper. And once you are done with the setup, you can just tap on a done in the upper right corner, and that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.